Okay, it's me again, and what I'm showing you now is how I cut. As we all know, arthrogryposis makes it difficult to reach high at all, and sometimes I can feel like I can reach a little higher than others. The countertops are too high. I can do nominal quick little cuttings, but it's time consuming and exhausting that way. The table is another great thing, and I do cut a lot on the table, but years ago I figured out that the drawers in my kitchen are like the greatest thing ever because I can just open them up, any drawer, however I'm feeling at the time. If I need to stand or sit or whatever, I can put a cutting board, wedge a cutting board onto any drawer, 1, 2, 3. So this would be good too, I think, if you had children and you were trying to teach them or have them help you to cut, or to work in the kitchen, maybe not necessarily cut. So I wedge the board into any drawer that works for me. Usually the second drawer works perfect for me. If I really am feeling tired, I'll use the third drawer. So that's the step number 1 on cutting. Now I'm going to try to set it up again and actually show you how I cut. It's not that exciting, but I'm going to show you anyway. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for you too. Thank you. See you in a minute.